Hi students, we're going to finish chapter 15, section 1 today. Types of energy. Just when we go through all these types of energy, realize that all these types of energies can usually be either categorized as either kinetic or potential. All forms of energy can be converted into other forms as well. Mechanical energy. Mechanical energy is the energy associated with motion and position of everyday objects. It's the sum of your potential and kinetic energy of the motion. Thermal energy. Thermal energy is your total kinetic and potential energy of all microscopic particles in an object. So the atoms in the object. If they're moving really fast, the atoms, that means you have more thermal energy and it is warmer. We'll talk more about thermal energy in chapter 16 as well. Chemical energy. Chemical energy is the energy stored in the chemical bonds. And in all chemical compounds. For example, cars use chemical energy in the gas to move. You use chemical energy found in the food. Electrical energy. Electrical energy is the energy associated with electric charges and can exert forces to do work. So electrical energy is the energy associated with electric charges and can exert forces to do work. It's basically electricity. We'll talk more of that in chapter 20. Batteries convert chemical energy to electrical energy, which can in turn power flashlights, etc. Electromagnetic energy is a form of energy that travels through space in the form of waves. That is talking about like light and different things. We'll talk more about that in chapter 18. So visible light, X-rays, those are all forms of electromagnetic energy. It is frequently used in communication, which for cell phones, and we'll talk more about that later on. Nuclear energy is the energy stored in atomic nuclei. We've already talked about that in semester 1, but we've got nuclear fission and we have nuclear fusion.